In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Airbnb discounts. To get started, open Airbnb and sign in to your account. Being logged in helps you view listings, compare options more easily, and move quickly once you find a good deal. After that, enter your destination, your travel dates, and the number of guests, then tap search. Once the results appear, start browsing the available listings in your preferred area. Take a little time here to compare prices because rates can vary a lot even within the same neighborhood. As you look through the options, pay close attention to listings that show discount labels. These may include weekly discounts, monthly discounts, early bird deals, or last minute offers. Those labels can be one of the fastest ways to spot a lower price without needing to do much extra work. Next, use the price filter to narrow your search to places that fit your budget. This makes the results easier to manage and helps you focus on realistic options right away. If your schedule allows, be flexible with your travel dates. Weekday stays and off-season trips are often cheaper than weekends or peak travel periods, so even a small date adjustment can sometimes make a noticeable difference. When you find a listing that looks promising, open the details and check carefully for any extended stay discounts. Some hosts automatically reduce the nightly rate for longer bookings, and that savings may not always stand out unless you read the pricing information closely. If the listing still looks like a good fit, you can message the host politely and ask whether they're able to offer a discount. This is especially worth trying for longer stays or last-minute bookings, where hosts may be more open to adjusting the price. Keep your message short, respectful, and clear. Before you confirm anything, review the total booking cost carefully. This is important because the final price may include cleaning fees, service fees, and taxes, which can change how good the deal really is. A listing with a lower nightly rate is not always the cheapest overall, so always compare the full total rather than just the base price. Once you've found the best available deal, go ahead and